My name is Rich Thayer, Managing Partner at Halteres Associates.
And I'm Mickey Urdea, the founding partner at Halteres Associates. We're here to celebrate the 20th anniversary of Halteres Associates. It's amazing to think it has been 20 years, but it has. It's been a lot of fun. We've learned a lot. We'd like to share some of our experiences with you.
Right back when we started, I remember one of our clients saying, the hardest industry that I've had to hire into is diagnostics, finding managers and people who understand it. And I thought, it's not that bad. Looking back over 20 years, there's a lot to it.
You can't think of the product for the diagnostics industry out of context of the entire ecosystem. And, it took us a long time to really understand that. Visiting a whole lot of clinics all over the world and talking to a lot of people about these issues and realizing that you have to really understand all the pain points of the physician and the patient and the staff, the healthcare system itself. If you don't understand that, you will definitely design the wrong thing.
Yeah, and the ministries of health, the procurement agencies, the funders, they all play a critical role in delivering the products and technologies to market as well as keeping them on the market. Back when we started, the focus was much more on the technology. Wow, that's a cool technology. And, where do we take it? What market do we go to? And over time, we realized that it really is much better to, if you will, start on the right-hand side of this, the right to left thinking, and first understand what does the market really need? What is the use case, and how is that product going to be used, and who are the individuals that are going to use it, and then go to the lab and start to develop what the product is that will satisfy those needs. So one of the things we realized over the years at Halteres is it's very important to leave our clients with the ability to go on and do their own programs themselves. We don't desire to be part of that project or that program for years and years and years. It's important for us to come in, spend a month or two or three, help them get over the hump, if you will, and then take off on their own. And towards that end, it's amazing. We have 150 or so associates now at Halteres all over the world. Yeah. So that's a great part of our network as well. And many of them understand this process. So they're able to help, bring this knowledge base, this right to left thinking, this understanding of the ecosystem, and how to pull together and create use cases and product profiles, et cetera. So it's really worked out very well. Really what we are is the middleman. Right, the interpreter, the go-between, be it between industry and a global health partner or a venture capitalist and a funder and a startup company. It's helping to express the opportunity and the options for that technology in a language or in such a way that those that are taking it from the other end, funding or picking up, understand what the opportunity is. The understanding now of the importance of diagnostics in the healthcare system is incredible, and that's something that hopefully we can continue to catalyze and keep front and center, so folks continue to understand on the funding side as well as on the consumer side that diagnostics really can make a difference.
They really can, and people expect it now.
Yes.
They're asking for it. I look forward to what's going to happen in the next 20 years, how we can bring all the things we've learned and seen and bring that experience to people to help them create new diagnostics, improve the ones that we've got, and improve global health as a result of that.
Yes.
So thanks so much for not only listening to us, but for working with us over these last 20 years. It's been a great joy. We hope that we've been helpful, and we hope to be helpful in the future. Thanks again, and goodbye.
Goodbye.